Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to a healthy lifestyle and achieving your weight loss goals. In today's video, we will delve into the powerful impact of meal planning on weight loss. If you're tired of struggling with your weight and want to make a lasting change, this video is for you. So, let's get started. The benefits of meal planning. Helps you make better food choices. One of the most significant benefits of meal planning is that it helps you make better food choices. When you plan your meals in advance, you can choose nutritious foods that will keep you full and satisfied. This means that you are less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks and meals, which can ultimately sabotage your weight loss efforts. Saves you time and money. Another benefit of meal planning is that it saves you time and money in the long run. By planning your meals in advance, you can make a grocery list and buy only what you need. This helps you avoid wasting food and money on unnecessary items. Additionally, having a meal plan means you spend less time figuring out what to eat and cooking meals at the last minute. Helps you stay on track. Sticking to a diet or weight loss plan can be difficult, especially when you are busy or stressed. Meal planning helps you stay on track by providing structure and routine. When you plan your meals, you are less likely to stray from your diet plan or indulge in unhealthy foods. Having a plan also gives you a sense of accountability, as you are more aware of what you are eating and why. Getting started with meal planning. Set realistic goals. The first step in getting started with meal planning is to set realistic goals. Think about what you want to achieve and how meal planning can help you get there. Be specific about your weight loss goals and how you plan to reach them through meal planning. Create a meal plan. The next step is to create a meal plan. Start by choosing your favorite healthy recipes and planning your meals for the week. Make sure to include a variety of nutritious foods, such as lean protein, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Shop for groceries. Once you have your meal plan, it's time to shop for groceries. Make a grocery list based on your meal plan and buy only what you need. Stick to healthy, whole foods and avoid processed or junk foods. Meal prep. Finally, it's time to meal prep. This means preparing your meals in advance, such as cooking and portioning out your meals for the week. Store your meals in containers and label them with the date and contents. This makes it easy to grab a healthy meal on the go or heat up a quick meal at home. Thank you for watching our video on the impact of meal planning on weight loss. We hope that you have found this information helpful and that it inspires you to try meal planning for yourself. Remember, meal planning is an excellent tool for reaching your weight loss goals and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.